Hello everyone, welcome to Lift Our Garage. Aaron and I are gonna scratch a BMW M3 itch today. My buddy Corey has his E36 M3 here at the shop and we're gonna do a...
I smile pulling up, it's gorgeous.
Oh, it's so good looking. The thing has 80,000 miles on it.
That's insane.
Original, I think it's a respray, but it's those original miles.
Original color too, right?
Yeah. So it's a true dual system stock exhaust, and he's gonna go big turbo eventually. But for now, we're gonna take the dual and merge up front and then just shoot a single stainless 3-inch all the way back and delete everything. Yes. But of course, we got the lift here. It's working good, and we're just gonna bring it in here and get it up in the air. And I've got all sorts of parts from eBay. I've got straight sections of 3-inch polished stainless, a bunch of U-bends, 45-degree bends, V-band clamps, welding fixtures from Summit, which I'm excited to try, some tacking clamps, new hangers, new hanger rods. Oh, we have some stuff from Michael Furyk to outfit our TIG torches with some sweet gas lenses so we can get our stainless welds looking good, and some new CK flex head torches, and of course we still have the Miller Dynasty 300 in the shop, so we get to cosplay as professionals today.
Yeah, Pyrex.
Yeah.
Put on the clips.
So let's get the car in here. I believe Corey got this from Texas, so there's like zero rust. This is some BMW nerd stuff.
The light work?
The light still works on the
man. It didn't on our E36.
Let's see, what year is this thing? 1998. Vaders, M3 Vader seats. A little chopped up, but
Giovanni can...
God, smells good. I already moved the seat back for myself this morning. Interior's in good shape. Got the standard E36 vinyl swelling and glove box delamination.
The Germans in plastic.
These bezels never worked. That E36 I got from you had the same problem.
Mm-hmm. You know, I'll fix that.
I didn't have side curtain airbags. That's nice.
Oh, I haven't.
Yeah, Aaron's solution for a bear attack in his convertible was CA
glue. Listen, it kind of worked.
Sure did.
Held it together.
I had to re-glue the door panels. That wasn't the bear or you. 84,429 miles.
That's less miles than my 2018 BMW. Contrast and compare.
5-speed. Smells good. Let's get it in the shop.
I love those side mirror wings.
This thing's wild.
That's so good.
Feels very Need for Speed-ish. Got the original flashlight too. Ooh. Is it a push and release thing?
Yep, push, release.
She did. That's hilarious.
Plastics are hard.
Well, this is a bit
Velcro.
Velcro,
this
baby.
Well.
Oh, Aaron, what did you do? Good, brand used. All right, let's see. Really, the first thing I want to see, and I'm a little skeptical, the overall plan. Hold that. The overall plan is this is stage 1 of a 2-stage exhaust build. So he's still NA right now, no turbo. So all we want to do today is merge these duals into one 3-inch at some point. And I'm already seeing a spacing issue using this. I just found this on eBay. I was like, well, if we can use it, great. If not, I'll just make my own Y pipe. Well, we've got plenty of extra, we'll have, you know, plenty of this left over. I was kind of hoping we merge somewhere up here so we keep straight, you know, do as much of it this way as possible. That way when we do the turbo later, all we have to do is a downpipe and merge into that. So hypothetically, if we were using this, you hold that there, I would weld the V-band to this end, and then everything here would stay, and then when we do the turbo, everything forward just goes, and then we don't have to even cut it because we'll have a joint there. We'll have that clamp. But this is the factory E36 exhaust. We can certainly remove the back section if we want to start there. But just got to figure out up here where we wire everything together as far forward as possible. There's some dents in this pipe. Very strange. It's almost feels intentional. Like they're like 60 degrees apart from each other.
Yeah, no, that's evenly spaced all the way around.
That's very strange. Maybe they did that for some sort of acoustic. Freaking Germans.
Yeah.
We can take this brace off, make our lives a little easier.
Start grabbing some tools.
Yeah, I'm almost...
Sawzall time.
Yeah, for sure. Well, let's get some penetrant.
Pullers.
Huh?
Hanger pullers?
I don't. I actually tried to order some from Temu. Have you been getting Temu ads?
I haven't, no.
Temu seems to be like the new Vivor.
Okay.
Super cheap. I did a random bulk order from them the other day. Just some weird ass tools. We'll see what they're like when they come in. But yeah, soak the hangers with some WD, and definitely these exhaust flange bolts. If we have any penetrant left, Croyle or whatever, soak these guys really a lot. Yeah. And any other bolt you see that we might have to take off. But this back section's all bolt on, so let's start there and remove that. And then I will start mapping this out. It's so cute. Gosh, it's like 1.5 inch pipe. It opens up. Very strange. Almost all the way through. Whole system's getting loose. I think I'm gonna leave. Let's see. I think I'm gonna unplug. All right, so the O2 sensors in this car are right here. There's one on each side. So, and the wiring harness goes this way, and the plugs are right here, it looks like. So I'm gonna unplug these, take that loose, and get it ready to go so that when I finish this last cut, this whole mid pipe can drop out. Okay, so the plan is, so again, this merge we're doing into 3 inches is temporary, and it's just to get Corey by until he turbos the car. So we've got BMW again sleeved these, I guess for heat or noise. So we're gonna cut this sleeve off and get it back down to this original, and then I guess we'll just make something to where we merge these two. Either we use that collector I bought, or we just make our own. It won't be that hard to make our own if we wanted to. Just do two like 60-degree miters and shape it.
I definitely have some stainless tube, like some 2 inch.
2 inch is great, yeah.
Shop still.
2 to 3, or you know, there might be something else out there that helps us, but let's de-glove it.
Oh, let me get my Warrior angle grinder.
Yeah, standard operating procedure. And then I'm gonna do the same thing to these pipes here. Try to reclaim some of this tubing.
Successful degloving.
Yeah, this should make things a little simpler.
You need the other one on there first.
Yeah, probably. Leave that loose. Be okay. See that gasket, just in case it messes with spacing at all. Things back the way they were. Swivel impact sockets. That was awesome.
Checking those out. That's sweet. I mean, these are different diameters.
They are. They're like a
Whoa.
Yeah, I don't understand it. Like the front bank of the engine squeezes 3 cylinders through a smaller pipe than the rear bank, and I don't get it.
That's wild.
I've never seen this before, and I've never worked on an E36 before. Like, what possible flow could that? I mean, does it make any sense that 3 cylinders flow less air than the other 3? But maybe there's a Vanos thing, like these things.
I mean, because this is shorter, maybe.
Maybe so. By a little. Okay.
So,
I mean, what I'm seeing is that this turn already starts heading toward this pipe.
yeah, so if this just kept going in that direction.
I feel like we slice it right here and we merge
intersect
somewhere
right
over
there.
here.
Yeah, I agree. So let's get a virgin section of straight on here and see where it starts interacting with that.
But cut this and just start fitting it. I like that. Okay, so I'm gonna start welding some things soon. Aaron's getting lunch for us. So I wanted to show you guys some goodies that we got from Michael Furick over at Furick, who makes pretty high-end TIG welding accessories. Shout out Furick. You may have seen the new banner here in the shop. But we got some neat stuff. So first off, we got, I've got the Dynasty in a denim sleeve that I had left over from Eastwood stuff. But Michael sent over these awesome leather and canvas Furick sleeves. So I just rolled one out. It seems to be long enough. I'm gonna redo that. But what I'm also gonna do is, y'all have probably heard me talk about CK Worldwide and all their torches, their TIG welding accessories. So on Furick Welding's website, they also are a dealer for CK torches. So while I was getting some gas lenses and some cups, some Furick cups, also went ahead and ordered some new CK Worldwide flex heads, number 17 air-cooled torch bodies. So I'm gonna replace, I've had this funky Weldcraft flex head on here that Steve left. He said he got it in the shipyard. It's a cool, like super stubby, no back cap flex head, but you can't put a big gas lens on this, and it's nice to have more tungsten. So I'm gonna switch this out. On here currently is the rotary dial from Miller, which I'm not a huge fan of, but we are going to be using a foot pedal for a lot of stuff. So I'll put this on just so it's in the sleeve with the new flex head. But we'll probably be using a foot pedal, so it'll be kind of out of the way like this is. Also, doing a little unboxing. I've got some Furick welding gloves, some TIG gloves that are pretty funny. They got, on the fingers, they got the Shocker and TIG Nasty. Pretty funny. These are XLs, man. I'm kind of excited for these. They are super soft. I think they're goat skin leather, which is great, but they fit great. And they've got extra layers of leather on this side for rubbing your hand along things, or, you know, when you're sliding and welding. And they're short gloves, because with TIG welding, there's not a lot of spatter, so you don't really need like all that rubber or the leather behind here for spatter guards. So excited about that. I got a set and Aaron got a pair. So we got new gloves and new torches. But what I'm really excited about, I also got some stickers for our masks and whatnot. What I'm really excited about is this Furick Cup starter kit. So now we officially have all the badass gas lenses. Pyrex lenses, that's the Furick BBW gas lens right there in Pyrex, and then there's also a BBW in ceramic. All sorts of sizes. You got the Fupa 12, you got the Jazzy 10, I believe. Yeah, Jazzy 10. So all your TIG, your standard TIG torch sizing nomenclature applies here. You've got slide on, you've got a slip on adapter, you got thread on options. And then we've got our 16th, 3/32 and 1/8 inch gas lens collets to adapt to these. It comes with a 3 different sizes of back caps, insulators, replacement screens, O-rings, the whole nine. So, and it comes with this rad little printout so that you know what you have, and it says which ones are recommended for DC only, and then which ones can do AC, DC. And then the flow rate for each cup. So that's really nice. Been a long time coming. Now we're doing more stainless work on exhausts and whatnot. Would like to move into titanium at some point. We got that. And then we got another FUPA 12 thread-on glass Furic cup. So some new TIG accessories. So shout out, Michael Furic is a great dude. He makes amazing TIG accessories. Saw him at PRI. Shout out, Michael. Thanks for sending some stuff over. So yeah, I'm gonna convert the lead on our Miller Dynasty 300 that we still have on loan from Miller. Put all the fancy CK and Furic stuff on there, and then we'll get back to the M3 and start TIGging together some stainless with the proper hardware. Very excited. So if you guys haven't taken apart a 17 series air-cooled torch before, the same cable that transfers your power also takes your gas. So if you're using a foot pedal, this is all that comes to your torch. So I'm gonna break this apart with some double wrenches. Crack that loose. Just thread it off, and then you're good. Slide this piece off, and I'll put that back together for use elsewhere. This could be very helpful for roll cages or something, getting into tight spots. And now I'm going to undo this cheap little denim sleeve and unzip that all the way down. Nice tight fit. All right, so we got my new sleeve on. Let's do some torch stuff. Probably should have done this first, but okay. Warning! Recommendations for maximum head life. Flex head a maximum of 40 degrees from the center line. Keep amount of flexes to a minimum. Spread bend over entire neck of torch. Do not twist the neck. All right, I'll adhere to those requirements. So we thread that on. Double nut the brass fitting. And look, that's a nice tight doink, doink, doink. Nice fit. Lovely, lovely, lovely. So now we can zip tie the amperage control to the torch and make that nice and tight there. And then we can work on the head. So that is a nice tight welding deal from Furic. And now, with our different insulators and stuff, now we can play with this type of stuff. And then tighten this side down, like so. And you got your BBW gas lens. Look at that thing. Bang. That's the move there. And I got some new tungsten. And we are ready to do some TIGging. Excited. All right, I'm gonna throw some bolts in this. Then I think we're good to go. Some nuts, I mean. Yeah, baby. Let's go. That looks awesome. Put the V-band clamp together. Oh, it's so good. I am a genius. You want to do a wrap up about the plasma cutter?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
I'm going to weld the V-band on so I can clamp it in place. Okay, so welding is all finally done on Mr. Corey's system here. I got the front section all welded up. 2 45s, 2 V-band flanges, and a hanger that we custom made. And then the back section with the polished tip is all welded up. Same thing, hanger. This one took a lot longer just because there's so many joints, but shall we bolt it on?
let's get it.
See how loud this damn thing is. Exciting. Oh yeah. Let's see. Okay. This one is hot. Well, you want to start it up? It looks good from here.
Oh.
Here we go. I don't hear any leaks. I might, if leave it running, I might raise it back up. You don't suffer from the lack of back pressure now. You'll have to get that tuned out. Don't let the smoke alarm you.
I see it. I'm looking at it.
That's all the grease burning off the pipes. So that's to be
It looks safe.
that's to be expected. Let me fix that V-band. Hopefully that didn't get too hot. All right, come on, you asshole. What happened? I thought we had it.
It's warm.
Is it?
Yeah, it's probably hot, yeah.
A little bit. So I'm gonna put gloves on. see the door, right? You're all clear. Well, it doesn't scrape, so that's good.
That is good.
You want to do a loop and see how you like it and come back and park for a second?
Yeah.
It's very loud. You can hear him from a pretty long ways away. Pretty loud. It's so loud.
Extremely loud.
Congratulations.
Thanks.
Just park right here for a second. It's pretty loud. That's what he wanted. Thanks for watching. See you next time.